Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Visa gift card is activated and has enough money for the Robux or item you want. Next, sign into your Roblox account. You must be logged in to purchase. Once done, go straight to the Robux or Premium Buy page. Don't wander. Choose the package that matches your card value and click Buy. Make sure you have the card number, expiration, CVV, and the exact billing address available. You'll need them on the payment form. Now enter the Visa card details at the Roblox checkout. If Roblox requires PayPal, you can add the Visa inside PayPal first and then use PayPal at checkout. Input the card number, expiration date, and CVV carefully. Small typos cause declines. Use the billing address exactly as the card issuer expects. Once you submit, expect a 3D secure or OTP verification respond to the prompt quickly. If the charge is finished by confirming the purchase page shows success, and then verify your Robux or item in your account. Check My Transactions and your wallet balance. If the payment fails, don't panic. First double-check numbers and billing address, then try adding the Visa to PayPal and buying via PayPal. If the card still declines, contact the card issuer to confirm activation and international or online purchase permissions. If you see an unexpected hold, wait a few hours and review Roblox receipts before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.